Okay, job of an executor usually is a very thankless one, especially if an individual, usually they don't get paid to work as an executor. All right, so sometimes the individual executor may ask the court to compensate them at up to 5% of the estate value, so that it's for their time cost, the trouble that they have gone through to administer the estate. For a trust company, you don't usually get to ask for this because you're already charging a fee to administer the estate. Yeah. Now, so if you look at what we've gone through, it's a lot of things the executor have to do, all right? And what happens is it's not really suitable for individuals who don't know about relevant laws. So it's more for people who are, okay, you've got the time to study a relevant law, you're a very careful person, all right? Every step you take, that you always take into account the pros and cons, all right? Then it's probably suitable for you to be an executor. But if you're a professional, a lot of my clients say, my son is a professional, he's a lawyer, he's an accountant, he's a tax agent, he's this and that. So it's suitable for him to be the executor. Usually we'll tell the client, usually he won't have time to do so because his practice itself will take most of his time. And this particular administering of your estate will also take a big chunk of his time. So at the end of the day, this will be, the administration of the estate will be basically not the first thing that he will do. He will take off his career first rather than this estate administration. So the beneficiaries in the estate usually will not be too happy about it because the executor is taking his time to do things quickly, to complete the distribution. Then the executor is expected to know what is the law regards to administration of the estate, accounting, more basic accounting, because you need to double check whoever that you pass work to, whether the work they're doing is correct. If there's a business, you need to also have skills in managing businesses. If the deceased have got investments in the stock exchange, you need to know what type of estate, what type of investment it is, what's the effect if you do this, if you do that. At the same time, you need to be efficient, impartial, and also manage the expectation of the creditors and the beneficiary. So there are quite a lot of things that the executor is expected to do. All right. Where's that Rock Wills? If you look at the slides here, what happens is that we have got groups of people at Rock Wills, a team rather, that does all these things, not only one person, because an individual would be a one-man show thing. You will lack expertise, you will lack a teamwork, you will lack time management of doing a lot of things.